Have you ever found yourself stressed about money, constantly chasing the elusive dream of financial security? Or wondered if there's a deeper, more meaningful way to approach your financial journey? Today, I'm here to share something transformative: the profound wisdom of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that offers powerful insights to revolutionize how we think about money, wealth, and true prosperity. This isn't just another finance lecture. It's a deep dive into a timeless philosophy that will challenge your beliefs, ignite your curiosity, and provide practical solutions to improve your financial well-being. By the end of this journey, you'll gain a fresh perspective on money and actionable steps to make a positive impact on your life. The Stoic perspective on money. One of the cornerstones of Stoicism is the idea that it's not external events, but our interpretation of them that determines our peace of mind. Marcus Aurelius famously said, "It is not things that disturb us, but our interpretation of them." Think about your financial life. How often have you felt anxious or unhappy because of your bank balance? Stoicism challenges us to shift our focus, not on the numbers themselves, but on how we perceive and respond to them. Money, the Stoics teach, is a tool, not the ultimate goal. By seeing wealth as a means to an end, we free ourselves from its grip and find balance, even during financial storms. Self-control, a key to financial freedom. Epictetus said, "Only the educated are free." In the context of finances, this wisdom goes beyond education. It's about self-discipline and control. Modern society encourages constant consumption, equating success with possessions and wealth. But Stoicism offers an alternative. True freedom lies in mastering our desires. By exercising self-control, we can resist impulsive spending and align our choices with long-term goals. Ask yourself, does this purchase reflect my true needs and aspirations? Or is it a fleeting desire driven by societal pressure? This discipline fosters not just financial health but inner peace, creating harmony in both your wallet and your spirit. Resilience, thriving through financial challenges. Nietzsche famously said, "What does not destroy us makes us stronger." Stoicism echoes this sentiment, viewing challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities to build resilience. When you face financial difficulties, unexpected expenses, job loss, or market downturns, these aren't merely setbacks. They're opportunities to grow stronger and wiser. Every storm becomes a training ground, fortifying your ability to weather future challenges. Resilience, in this sense, isn't about enduring hardship, but transforming it into a source of strength and character. The art of simplicity. Seneca reminds us, a happy life is the result of a balanced soul. In today's world, obsessed with accumulation, Stoicism encourages simplicity, not as renunciation, but as a refined way of living. Simplicity is about appreciating what you have and finding joy in the essentials. This mindset clears the clutter, not just in your home but in your mind. With fewer distractions, you create space for personal growth, deeper relationships, and purposeful living. The mantra, "Less is more," embodies this philosophy, teaching us to focus on authentic experiences over material possessions. Courage to change. Aligning finances with values. Musonius Rufus offers timeless advice. Do not be disturbed. Act according to nature. In financial terms, this means staying calm in the face of uncertainty and aligning your decisions with your core values. Take a moment to reflect. Are your financial choices a true reflection of who you want to be? By embracing courage and self-awareness, you can transform not just your financial habits but your entire approach to life. Your finances become a mirror of your integrity and purpose. Daily reflection, building self-awareness. Daily reflection is a simple yet profound Stoic practice that can reshape your financial life. By examining your choices regularly, you uncover the motivations behind your decisions. Are they impulsive or aligned with your goals? This process cultivates self-awareness, helping you identify harmful patterns and make deliberate, thoughtful choices. Contentment, The cornerstone of prosperity. Epictetus teaches, happiness is the absence of the desire to change one's current condition. Contentment doesn't mean complacency. It means appreciating the present while striving for growth. When you're content, you make financial decisions with clarity and purpose, free from the pull of immediate gratification. This perspective shifts your focus from accumulating wealth for its own sake to cultivating experiences and relationships that bring lasting fulfillment. Perspective. Responding, not reacting. Epictetus also said, I am not concerned with what happens, but how I react to it. This Stoic principle is a powerful tool for financial resilience. While external forces like market fluctuations or job changes are beyond your control, your response isn't. True financial success lies not in controlling external events, but in mastering your reactions. By adopting this perspective, you redefine prosperity, not as material wealth, but as inner strength, wisdom, and adaptability. Emotional mastery. The key to clear decisions. In finance, emotions like fear, greed, and envy can lead to impulsive decisions. Stoicism teaches us to master these emotions, replacing impulsivity with reasoned, value-driven choices. This mastery helps you stay calm during market fluctuations and resist the temptation of short-term rewards. By addressing and reshaping negative thought patterns, you develop a healthier relationship with money, leading to better decisions and emotional well-being. The path to tranquility. Seneca sums it up beautifully. Tranquility comes when we stop wanting things to be different. True prosperity lies not in relentless pursuit, but in contentment and gratitude for the present. This doesn't mean abandoning ambition. It means building your financial journey on a foundation of peace, balance, and purpose. A new beginning. As we conclude this journey into Stoicism and finance, remember, true wealth is measured not by your bank balance, but by your ability to live with purpose, resilience, and inner peace. Let these principles guide you toward a life filled with genuine prosperity and fulfillment. Now, take the next step. Reflect on these teachings, apply them to your life, and discover the transformation that awaits.